Top 5 Best Dry Erase Glass Whiteboards. Number 5. Weyoung Glass Dry Erase Board. Sold in 6 different sizes, the Weyoung Glass Erase Board has a very modern approach and extended writing surface. One can use this product for both commercial and residential purpose without any interruption. Furthermore, this product can be shopped at a very affordable price. The company is also known to offer excellent customer service to their clients in the case of any help. You are allowed to mount this whiteboard both vertically as well as horizontally. Coming in number 4. Weyoung Glass Whiteboard. This product from Weyoung is one of the best glass whiteboards for the individual who wants smoother and hassle-free writing experience. It comes with neodymium magnets using which you can attach papers in the board. It is a movable product having 5 universal wheels and a rounded base for easy transfer from one place to another. There are 4 PP plastic corners and an acrylic marker tray on the whiteboard for making the writing experience better. The company sells this product with a lifetime warranty that is great considering its price. Coming in number 3. Offex Reversible Magnetic Mobile 72 by 40 inches. Why struggle writing on a low-quality whiteboard when you can use this professional-looking board? Coming in white color and measuring 72 by 40 inches, this dry erase board is suited for classrooms, lecture rooms, exhibition rooms, conference rooms, and many other places. It comes in a reversible nature that increases the writing space and is also easy to flip over. The unit is supported by a durable aluminum frame and features an eraser tray and full-length marker. Other than its professional looks and user-friendly design, this board is loved for its versatility. Reasons to buy this: flip reversible nature doubles the writing area. Magnetic surfaces for displaying posters and papers. 4 casters for added mobility. 2 locking brakes for stability and safety. Coming in number 2. Quartet Glass Dry Erase Whiteboard. Coming with a 15-year warranty against ghosting, scratching, staining or denting, you can be sure that this is a high-quality glass. It measures 4 by 3 feet and is suitable for many situations including the home, classroom, office, and conference rooms. The well-constructed board boasts of tempered glass and a frosted surface. The frameless piece is easy to use, especially in a difficult situation. Also included is a marker tray for added convenience. It's a top pick because of its proper construction, stability, versatility, and comfortable writing and cleaning. Reasons to buy this: non-absorbent glass for easy cleaning. Tempered glass for long life and sturdiness. Frameless board design for easy belonging into the surrounding. Frosted glass surface for clear displays. Coming in number 1. Audio-Visual Direct Magnetic Glass Dry Erase Board Set. Coming in dimensions of 35.5 by 47.25 inches, this dry erase board set is perfect for personal as well as commercial use. Like most top whiteboards on the market, it's also made from premium tempered glass that resists scratches, dents, staining, fading, and other things. The unit comes with a smooth surface for securely erasing and cleaning and works perfectly with most markers. Also included are 5 magnets for accommodating templates and aluminum tray for the marker S. This item isn't affected by staining or ghosting and will guarantee you good clarity. Its main positives include good quality, stable design, easy to use, and clean surface. Reasons to buy this: tempered glass surface resists scratches, dents, and glass. Quality surface prevents staining and ghosting. Solid metal mounts for firm support and durability. Quality wall anchors for steadiness and good balance. Full-size template for easy installation and guidance.